Video script, digital detox? Meet the AI gadgets that can help you unplug. Introduction. Welcome back. In a screen-dominated world, digital detox is crucial. Today, we'll explore how AI gadgets can help you unplug and enhance your mental wellness, why it's important as technology becomes more pervasive, the need for mental health solutions grows. Excessive screen time is linked to anxiety, depression, and sleep issues. The World Health Organization emphasizes the importance of mental well-being, highlighting the need for balance in our tech-driven lives. AI tools can creatively support mental wellness and self-care. Main insights. 1. Mood tracking apps. AI apps like Dailyo and MoodFit help users identify emotional patterns, offering insights and personalized coping strategies to improve emotional health. 2. Digital therapy platforms. Services like Wobot use conversational AI for therapeutic interventions based on cognitive behavioral therapy (CBT), providing immediate support and reducing depression symptoms. 3. Stress-reducing smart devices. Gadgets such as the Muse headband and smart aromatherapy diffusers monitor stress levels and provide personalized relaxation solutions through biofeedback. Practical steps. 1. Assess your tech use. Track your daily screen time using smartphone features or apps like Rescue Time. 2. Incorporate AI tools. Try a mood tracking app and a digital therapy platform for a week to see their impact on your mental wellness. 3. Set boundaries. Establish a tech curfew, disconnecting at least an hour before bed, and use smart lights to create a calming atmosphere. Common mistakes or cautions. Over-reliance on tech. AI tools are helpful but not substitutes for professional help. Always consult a licensed therapist when needed. Ignoring offline activities. Don't let technology replace face-to-face interactions or physical activities. Balance is key. Neglecting digital privacy. Be mindful of your data when using AI tools. Check privacy settings and understand data usage. Conclusion. Cultivating a healthier relationship with technology is essential. By using AI-driven mental wellness gadgets, you can unplug and prioritize your mental well-being. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share your digital detox experiences in the comments. Source list: World Health Organization, Mental Health, Dailyo Mood Tracker, Wobot, Muse headband. From chatbots to bedside assistants, AI's role in mental health support. Introduction. As mental health gains the attention it deserves, artificial intelligence is revolutionizing wellness tools, enhancing our mental well-being. From smart chatbots providing real-time support to advanced mood tracking apps, AI is becoming a vital ally in our mental health journey. Why it's important. Mental health is crucial, with over 1 in 5 adults experiencing mental illness annually. The demand for accessible, effective solutions is urgent. AI-driven tools not only offer immediate assistance but also contribute to long-term mental health management, aligning with global trends that prioritize work-life balance and well-being. Main insights. 1. AI chatbots as first responders. AI chatbots like Wobot serve as accessible support for mental health challenges, using conversational AI to deliver cognitive behavioral therapy techniques anytime. 2. Mood tracking. For self-awareness apps such as Dailyo and MoodFit allow users to log emotions and activities, leveraging AI to provide insights that enhance self-awareness and help identify triggers. 3. Digital therapy platforms. Platforms like Talkspace and BetterHelp connect users with licensed therapists through AI-driven matching, ensuring personalized therapy experiences. Practical steps. 1. Explore AI chatbots. Try an AI chatbot like Wobot for daily mood tracking and support. 2. Utilize mood tracking apps. Download a mood tracking app and log your emotions for a week to identify patterns. Point 3. Consider digital therapy. Investigate digital therapy platforms like BetterHelp for a tailored therapy experience. Common mistakes: over-reliance on AI. AI tools are helpful but should not replace professional help when needed. Always consult a licensed therapist for serious concerns. Ignoring privacy settings. Understand the privacy policies of any app you use, as mental health data is sensitive. Neglecting self-care. AI tools cannot replace essential self-care practices like exercise, nutrition, and sleep. Conclusion: AI-driven mental wellness technology is transforming mental health support. By embracing these tools, we can take proactive steps toward better mental well-being. Explore the future of mental health with AI tools today. Mindfulness meets technology. The best AI tools for stress management. Introduction: in our fast-paced world, stress is a constant challenge. Thankfully, technology offers innovative solutions for mental wellness. Today, we'll explore AI-driven tools designed to help manage stress and enhance overall well-being. Why it's important: mental health awareness is crucial, with over 70% of adults experiencing daily stress. Integrating AI tools into our wellness strategies allows for personalized experiences and accessible support, essential for maintaining balance in our increasingly digital lives. Main insights: 1. Mood tracking apps. AI-powered apps enable daily mood analysis, helping you identify emotional patterns and stress triggers for more informed well-being choices. Point 2. Digital therapy platforms. These platforms connect you with therapists based on your needs, often featuring chatbots for immediate support, making mental health care more accessible. Point 3. Stress-reducing smart devices. Smart lights and speakers can create calming environments, effectively reducing stress levels at home or work. Practical steps: 1. Choose a mood tracking app. Download apps like Dailyo or MoodFit to log emotions and identify stress triggers. Point 2. Explore digital therapy options. Consider platforms like BetterHelp or Talkspace for AI-driven therapist matching. Point 3. Integrate smart devices. Use smart home devices, such as Philips Hue lights or calming playlists on a smart speaker, to foster a stress-free environment. Common mistakes or cautions: over-reliance on technology. Remember that AI tools should complement, not replace, traditional therapy and human interaction. Ignoring privacy concerns. Always review privacy policies to ensure your data is secure and used ethically. Conclusion: AI-driven tools can significantly enhance your stress management. Strategy: take charge of your mental health. Download a mood tracking app, explore digital therapy, or integrate smart devices into your environment. Your well-being deserves attention, and technology is here to assist. Call to action: if you found this video insightful, like, subscribe, and share your favorite AI tools for stress management in the comments below. Source list: MoodFit, Dailyo, BetterHelp, Talkspace, Philips Hue Video Script. Mood Matters: How AI Can Track and Improve Your Mental Well-Being. Introduction. Welcome back, tech enthusiasts. Today, we're exploring the exciting intersection of technology and mental wellness. Imagine having a personal assistant that tracks your mood and enhances your well-being. Intriguing, right? Let's discover how AI-driven tools can support your mental health journey. Why it's important: mental health awareness is more crucial than ever. With rising stress levels and a focus on work-life balance, tools that monitor and improve our mental state are essential. Research shows that integrating technology with mental wellness can reduce anxiety and enhance emotional resilience, making AI solutions both relevant and necessary. Main insights: 1. Mood tracking apps. AI-driven apps can analyze your daily moods through simple questions or biometric data, revealing patterns and triggers to help you understand your mood shifts. Point 2. Digital therapy platforms. Online therapy services powered by AI connect users with therapists based on preferences and needs, offering flexibility and accessibility for those who may feel intimidated by traditional sessions. Point 3. Stress-reducing smart devices. Devices like smart lights and sound machines can create calming environments tailored to your emotional needs, simulating natural light or playing soothing sounds during stressful moments. Practical steps. 1. Choose a mood tracking app. Select an app that meets your needs, offering valuable insights and easy data entry. Point 2. Engage with digital therapy. If you're open to therapy, explore AI-driven platforms that connect you with professionals. Utilize trial sessions to find the right fit. Point 3. Set up a calm environment. Invest in smart home devices to enhance your living space. Experiment with different lighting and sound options to discover what helps you relax. Common mistakes or cautions. Over-reliance on technology. While AI tools provide valuable insights, they shouldn't replace professional help. Always consult a mental health professional if you're struggling. Ignoring data privacy. Be cautious about the personal data you share with wellness apps. Choose platforms that prioritize user privacy and security. Conclusion. Embracing AI-driven tools for mental wellness can significantly improve your overall well-being. So why wait? Start exploring these innovative technologies today and prioritize your mental health. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights on tech and wellness. Source list. Source: I insert relevant URL for mood tracking apps, digital therapy platforms, and stress-reducing devices. Here. Revolutionizing self-care, AI innovations in mental wellness. Tech introduction. In our fast-paced world, stress and anxiety are prevalent. The integration of AI into mental wellness is transforming self-care, offering personalized support through innovative tools designed to enhance emotional well-being. Let's explore how AI-driven gadgets and apps are making self-care more accessible and effective. Why it's important. The importance of mental health is clear, with depression being a leading cause of disability globally, according to the World Health Organization. As our lifestyles become more demanding, AI tools offer innovative solutions to manage stress and build emotional resilience. Embracing technology for well-being is crucial for achieving balance in life. Main insights. 1. Mood tracking apps. AI-powered apps analyze emotional patterns, helping users identify triggers and develop coping strategies through personalized insights. 2. Digital therapy platforms. Tools like Wobot and Replica use AI chatbots for immediate support and therapeutic conversations, complementing traditional therapy and making mental health resources more accessible. Point 3. Stress-reducing smart devices. Gadgets such as smartwatches and speakers monitor stress levels and provide real-time feedback, encouraging mindfulness practices when needed. Practical steps. 1. Explore mood tracking apps. Download a mood tracking app and log your emotions daily to identify triggers. 2. Utilize digital therapy platforms. Sign up for a digital therapy platform to engage with AI chatbots for immediate emotional support during stressful times. Point 3. Incorporate smart devices. Invest in smart wearables or speakers to monitor your well-being and schedule regular self-care breaks. Common mistakes or cautions. Over-reliance on technology. AI tools are helpful but should not replace professional help when necessary. Always consult a licensed mental health professional for serious concerns. Ignoring privacy settings. Be aware of data privacy. Understand how your information is used and stored by any app or device. Neglecting digital detox. While technology can enhance wellness, periodically engaging in a digital detox is essential to prevent burnout. Conclusion: AI innovations in mental wellness offer promising opportunities for self-care. By incorporating these tools into your routine, you can enhance your emotional well-being and cultivate a balanced lifestyle. Take the first step today and discover the AI-driven mental wellness tech that can support your journey to better mental health. Script: Stress less with tech. Smart devices for anxiety relief. Introduction: Feeling overwhelmed by stress? You're not alone. Today, we'll explore tech gadgets designed to help manage anxiety and promote mental wellness. With AI-driven tools, achieving a balanced state of mind is easier than ever. Why it's important: mental health awareness is rising, and so is the demand for effective solutions. The World Health Organization reports that over 264 million people suffer from depression, with stress-related conditions becoming more common. By integrating technology into our lives, we can enhance our well-being through tools like mood tracking apps and digital therapy platforms. Main insights: 1. Mood tracking apps. AI-powered apps like Dailyo and MoodFit help users log feelings, identify patterns, and receive personalized stress management recommendations, offering a clearer picture of mental health over time. 2. Digital therapy platforms. Services such as BetterHelp and Talkspace feature AI chatbots for immediate support and connect users with licensed therapists, making mental health assistance more accessible. 3. Stress-reducing smart devices. Gadgets like the Muse headband utilize EEG technology to provide real-time feedback during meditation, helping users recognize their mental state and practice relaxation techniques to reduce anxiety. Practical steps: 1. Identify your needs. Determine the type of support you seek: mood tracking, therapy, or relaxation techniques. 2. Explore AI tools. Download and try mood tracking apps and digital therapy platforms that appeal to you. 3. Invest in smart devices. Consider adding stress-reducing gadgets like the Muse headband or a smart speaker with guided meditation. 4. Establish a routine. Dedicate time each day to use these tools, whether journaling, attending virtual therapy, or meditating. Common mistakes or cautions: over-reliance on technology. These tools are helpful but shouldn't replace professional help. Consult a healthcare provider for serious issues. Neglecting self-care. Don't forget traditional self-care methods like exercise, healthy eating, and socializing. Ignoring privacy settings. Be mindful of privacy settings when using mental wellness apps, especially regarding data sharing. Conclusion: incorporating AI-driven mental wellness tech into your routine can be transformative for managing stress and anxiety. Explore these smart devices and apps today to enhance your mental health. Call to action: if you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more insights into tech for wellness. Let's embrace the future of mental health together. Source list: World Health Organization, WHO Depression Fact Sheet, Muse headband, choose Muse, BetterHelp, Talkspace, Dailyo, MoodFit. The future of therapy, exploring AI-powered digital mental health apps. Introduction. Welcome back. Today, we're exploring the exciting intersection of technology and mental health, AI-powered digital mental health apps. As mental well-being becomes a priority for many, These innovative tools are reshaping therapy and self-care. Why it's important. With over 20 of adults facing mental health challenges, the need for accessible support has never been greater. Traditional therapy can be costly and time-consuming, making AI-driven tools vital. These apps provide personalized strategies for managing anxiety, depression, and stress, aligning with the global shift towards holistic well-being. Main insights. 1. Mood tracking and analysis. Apps like Dailyo and MoodFit utilize algorithms to track mood patterns and identify triggers, offering insights that help develop effective coping strategies. 2. Digital therapy platforms. Services such as Wobot and Wysa feature AI chatbots that deliver cognitive behavioral therapy (CBT) techniques, providing immediate support. 247.3. Stress-reducing smart devices. Devices like the Spire Stone and Muse headband monitor breathing and brain activity, offering real-time feedback to manage stress and enhance mindfulness. Practical steps. 1. Research available apps. Explore various AI-driven mental health apps that cater to your needs, such as mood tracking or meditation. 2. Set goals for usage. After selecting an app, establish specific usage goals, like daily check-ins or regular mood assessments. 3. Integrate with your routine. Incorporate these tools into your daily life, pairing them with routines like morning meditation or evening wind-down sessions. Common mistakes or cautions. Over-reliance on technology. While helpful, these tools should not replace professional therapy for serious issues. Always consult a healthcare provider when needed. Ignoring privacy settings. Understand the data these apps collect and ensure you protect your information. Neglecting offline self-care. Technology is a great supplement, but engaging in offline activities like exercise and socializing is crucial. Conclusion. AI-powered mental health apps are transforming therapy and self-care, offering accessible, tailored support for life's challenges. If you're ready to enhance your mental wellness journey, start exploring these tools today. And don't forget to subscribe for more insights on leveraging technology for your well-being. The intersection of AI and mental health. Future gadgets you need to know. Introduction. Imagine a world where technology enhances your mental wellness. Today, we explore the exciting intersection of AI and mental health, uncovering futuristic gadgets that can support your well-being. From mood trackers to digital therapy, let's discover tools that can transform our approach to mental health. Why it's important. Prioritizing mental health is essential in today's complex world. With over 1 in 5 adults experiencing mental illness annually, accessible support is crucial. AI-driven tools enable individuals to monitor their emotions, access therapy from home, and use smart devices to alleviate stress, promoting a healthier work-life balance. Main insights. 1. Mood tracking apps. Tools like Dailyo and MoodFit use AI to help users log their moods daily, offering insights and suggestions to enhance mental wellness and prevent issues from escalating. 2. Digital therapy platforms. Services such as BetterHelp and Talkspace connect users with licensed therapists via chat or video calls, making mental health care more accessible. AI algorithms match users with therapists based on their needs. 3. Stress-reducing smart devices. Gadgets like smart diffusers and wearables such as Aura monitor stress levels and provide calming scents or vibrations, fostering a tranquil environment. Practical steps. 1. Explore mood tracking apps. Download a mood tracker and log your feelings daily for at least 2 weeks. 2. Try digital therapy. Sign up for a digital therapy platform and schedule your first session to assess its fit for you. 3. Invest in smart gadgets. Consider stress-reducing devices like smart lights or sound machines to enhance relaxation in your home office. Common mistakes to avoid: over-reliance on tech. While helpful, these tools should not replace professional help. Consult a healthcare provider for serious mental health concerns. Neglecting offline activities. Balance tech use with offline strategies for mental wellness, such as exercise, meditation, or socializing. Conclusion: the integration of AI in mental health is a game changer. By utilizing mood tracking apps, digital therapy platforms, and stress-reducing devices, we can enhance our mental wellness like never before. Take action today. Explore these gadgets and prioritize your mental health source list. National Institute of Mental Health, BetterHelp, Dailyo, Talkspace, or feel free to customize any sections or add specific features or gadgets as they become available. Unlocking your mind. Top AI-driven tools for mental wellness. Introduction: in today's fast-paced world, mental wellness is more important than ever. Fortunately, technology can help us manage stress and enhance our mental health. Let's explore AI-driven tools that can unlock your mind and boost your well-being. Why it's important: with 1 in 5 adults experiencing mental illness annually, the need